Hey everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to give you a very exciting news regarding OD. So many students are waiting for their OD. So I have a good news for all of them. So before going into the details, if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing and make sure to hit the bell icon so you don't miss any update from JNTUH. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So many students are asking about OD. So they have in the month of October, the 11th October 2021 was the last date to apply for 10th convocation OD. So many students have applied and they are waiting for their ODs to receive. So as in my previous video, I have already discussed about OD when they'll release the OD. So many students are still asking. So to clarify them, I am making this video. So it is a good news that ODs have been dispatched. So according to the JNTUH schedule, 10th convocation ceremony conducted at JNTUH main campus on 22nd or 23rd of February, and ODs are dispatched from 26th of February. Why I am telling 26th of February? So many students already received their ODs, and in that they have mentioned the date 26th of February 2022. So that means 26th of February they have released the ODs. So the last day to apply for OD was 11th October. So many students applied in the month of October and they have received the ODs in the month of March. 25th of March they have started dispatching the ODs. So those students who have applied before 11th of October or on 11th of October for 10th convocation, the ODs have been released. So you can receive your ODs through speed post or through any post, but it is most probably it is speed post. So make sure that you are at home, and if you are not available at home, so tell your parents or anyone who is there in your home that your OD will come. So ask them to receive your OD. There is no need to show any proof, just they will ask, the postman will ask about your name, who is receiving their name and their mobile number. Just in safety reasons they'll take, but it is absolutely easy, just they'll give it to you and they will leave. So why I'm telling is because if you miss to receive or if you fail to receive your ODs, then they will again send it back to JNTUH. Your ODs will be sent back to JNTUH. So make sure to receive your ODs whenever they'll come to you. Just receive your ODs, because once you miss to receive, then you will have a trouble. ODs will be sent back to JNTUH main campus, so you have to take it from there if you miss to receive the ODs. Inform you that ODs have been released. So if you have got your ODs, congratulations, and if you haven't received yet, don't worry, don't panic, they will release soon. It is not possible to dispatch all the ODs to all the students, so they will do slowly. So from 25th of March they have started dispatching it, and they will send it through speed post. So it is most probably you will receive on Monday, Tuesday, like working days. They will dispatch the ODs for you. Those who haven't received, don't panic, you will receive soon. So many students asking how it looks. Means in my previous videos I have already discussed how it looks. This is a sample picture of JNTUH OD. So let's have a look on this first. Jawaharlal Nehru Technology University, Hyderabad. It will be written over here, and your TS, this number, and your hall ticket number. Your picture will be there, your photograph, passport size photograph, and your name and your father's name, and having fulfilled the academic requirement in the month, and the degree you have received, Bachelor of Engineering or Bachelor of Pharmacy or Masters of Pharmacy or Masters of Engineering. They'll write it over here, and JNTUH golden seal will be here, and one imprinted JNTUH seal will be there, and date of issue will be 26th of February 2022. It will be same for all ODs. They will put here 26th of February 2022, and the signatures of the Vice Chancellor, Registrar and Director of Evaluation, and your PC number, CMM number will be written over here. So this is how your OD looks like. So hope you guys find this video informative. So many students are asking about OD, when they'll release. So they have already dispatched. You will receive soon. So hope you guys find this video informative. For more updates like this, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any queries, just comment down below. Thank you for watching.